Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aloy, the face behind Deja Design. In today's video, we have an exciting unboxing. We have the Singer 4432 sewing machine to be unboxed. It looks like there's quite a lot inside from what I can see. We've got the sewing machine, we got some foots, we got bobbin, got some spare needles. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Here we go. Ooh, this looks nice. Yeah, it's black, limited edition. Let's see what we have in the side. So we've got a manual, got a duster bag. See what else is in, and then we've got all the little goodies. We've got some bobbin, we've got feet, all of that jazz. Okay, the box is empty. It's very sleek. So let's see what else we've got. We've got the pedal. Ooh, it's very sleek. It's very nice. There she is. What should I name her? She's very nice. So here she is. As I said, it's the Singer Heavy Duty 4432. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for future updates. Don't forget to also follow me on all social at Deja Design. Thank you so much.